Hello friends, Namaste, and today I will be talking about the diet after the age of 50. Now, our nutritional needs change through every stage of our life. When we are young and in our youth, it's all about growth and maintaining a body that can procreate. But in 50s, the main goal is to prevent diseases by maintaining a healthy body, a healthy lifestyle. Now, as we age, as we grow older, various changes occur in our body. Our bones become weak, changes occur in our energy levels, our immune system tends to weaken, our metabolism slows down. So, to prevent all these problems which occur due to aging, one need to focus on whole grains in diet, plenty of vegetables and fruits and nuts. Now, consume plenty of healthy fats in your diet over the saturated fats. Now the healthy fats, that is the omega-3 fatty acids, they are heart healthy and they are found in plenty in fish. Boost your intake of dairy products, the milk and milk products, especially the low-fat milk, ghee, etc. Consume food which contain plenty of calcium and vitamin D3 because this in turn helps to prevent osteoporosis which occurs due to old age and fractures that occur due to weak bones. Now you can opt for lean dairy meat instead of the red meat. Now a common problem which occurs in most of the people in 50s is diabetes. So consume plenty of fibers in your diet because fibers help to slow down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream, and at the same time you should restrict or limit the intake of refined carbs in your diet, the sugary foods and the drinks in your diet. And because all these refined carbs they contribute to inflammatory processes in your body, and this in turn can increase the risk of diabetes, hypertension, cancer, etc. Now high BP, it can be an issue around the age of 50 in most of the people. So you should restrict the intake of salt. Instead, you should consume foods which are rich in potassium because that helps to control your blood pressure, especially bananas, then potatoes, a rich source of potassium. Now various eye problems also set in with aging. So consume foods rich in vitamin A for your vision, for better eyesight, for good vision, and also to prevent macular degeneration which occurs with age. So consume mangoes, a rich source of vitamin A, then again leafy vegetables such as palak, milk, and fruits such as papaya and avocados, etc. Our gastrointestinal system's functioning also slows down with aging. So again here, consume plenty of fibers so that the gastrointestinal system can function smoothly, because fibers helps in digestion and they also help to prevent constipation which occurs with age. Along with all this, you should drink plenty of water. Get enough quality sleep of 6 to 8 hours. Do not take any sort of stress. Do regular exercises. Practice relaxation techniques such as yoga and meditation. And last but not the least, keep on smiling because that's the only remedy which can cure free of cost. So that's all about diet after the age of 50. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay safe.